वजह से हम जी रहे हैं।
थैंक यू। ऑनरेबल श्री AD सिंह जी।
Today we thank you, Deputy Chairman. Thank you, sir. Today we commemorate 150 years of immortal cry Vande Mataram, which is, we are not merely making an anniversary, we are honoring the very soul of India. The battle cry that once shook the empire and today must shake us out of complacency. When Bankim Chand Chatterjee wrote the Vande Mataram in 1875, he did not compose a mere poem. He lit a revolution. He carved a cultural decoration and he gave a colonized nation the courage to stand up. Sri Aurobindo called it a mantra, not a song, because it awakened a sleeping civilization. The Vande Mataram that terrified the British. Let us recall that it was not the rifles or armies that first frightened the British Raj. It was a thunder of masses chanting Vande Mataram in the streets of Bengal, in the bylanes of Calcutta, and in the courtyard in Pune and in public square in Lahore. The slogan was so powerful that the British government tried to ban its public recitation. Lala Lajpat Rai ji wrote that it was the power of electrifying the atmosphere with Bipin Chandra Pal called it the religion of patriotism. This was not music, this was fire. It inspired Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh and the brave heroes of Swadeshi and the Quit India movement. It was the marching chant of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Gandhi ji himself said its magic cannot be described, it has inspired millions. When the nation faced humiliation, Vande Mataram gave us dignity. When Indians were divided, Vande Mataram gave us unity. When fear spread, Vande Mataram gave us courage. And today at 150th anniversary, we must ask ourselves, are we living up to the ideals of which our ancestors chanted Vande Mataram? Are we defending the nation with the same passion? Are we promoting unity with the same devotion? Are we committed to national upliftment with the same resolve? Because Vande Mataram is not an artifact of history, it is a mirror before our present. Vande Mataram springs from the civilization that has always regarded land as a mother. From the Rig Veda prayer, Mata Bhumi Putro Aham Priyatava, the earth is my mother, I am her child. The Bankim Chatterjee majestic verse, Sujalam Suplam Malayam Shitalam. The idea of India as a mother runs deep into philosophy and identity. This slogan represents our river, our fields of languages and our temples, freedom and sacrifices. It is a reminder that we belong to the land, that land belongs to us. Before conclusion, I rise to place on record a very important clarification, because today a systematic attempt is being made to rewrite history and appropriate national symbols that belong to the entire country. Let us be absolutely clear. Vande Mataram was not created by the BJP, not carried forward by the BJP and not sanctified by the BJP. It was given to the nation by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1875 and brought into the bloodstream of our freedom struggle by Congress-led national movements and by revolutionary across India decades before the BJP or the idolater predecessors ever existed.
Please conclude.
Yet today, we see repeated attempts by the Treasury benches to speak as if Vande Mataram is their exclusive ideological property. This is not homage, this is political appropriation. Why this sudden claim? Why this narrative
we'll have to conclude,
that
honorable
member. Party ends with one party?
Please
Why
conclude.
This attempt to monopolize a slogan that belongs to every Indian, irrespective of political belief? The truth is uncomfortable for them.
Thank you. We'll have to conclude.
Just give me 1 minute.
No.
It was the Congress, the freedom movement and the collective national struggle that turned Vande Mataram into the battle cry of India. It was sung in Congress session, carried in Congress.
I'll have to move on.
I'll
have to move on.
Just let me finish.
Yes.
Defended by the Congress leaders in jail and echoed in freedom marches led by Gandhi, Nehru, Patel, Subhas and Congress.
I'm sorry, I'll have to move on.
It was adopted
in
1905
Thank you,
as
Honourable Member.
Of the Swadeshi movement.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Shri Chaudhry Mohammad Ramzan ji.
Not by the modern party.
Honourable Shri Chaudhry Mohammad Ramzan ji. Thank you. Thank you.
Honourable Chairman, sir.